I really enjoy using fresh herbs in my cooking. They're a key ingredient in traditional Italian cuisine. You buy a plant of fresh basil, and they're always lushy and healthy and green. But after a few days, they'll die on you. And you feel very guilty as if it's your fault. Too little water, too much water, too sunny, too dark. You never get it right. Today, I have something special to share with you. I have just received this package from Click and Grow, and I'm super excited to unbox them with you. Click and Grow offers the most advanced and easy indoor gardening solution. Imagine having fresh herbs growing right into your kitchen all year round. Plus, they are organic and pesticide free. Let's dive in and see what's inside. While it's very easy to grow herbs like rosemary, sage, bay leaves, herbs like parsley and basil require more warmth and consistent sunlight, making them more challenging to grow in cooler climates or during the winter months. As a food blogger, having fresh herbs at my disposal is incredibly important. Whenever I'm filming a recipe, I can always rely on fresh herbs for decorating my dishes. So I set it up in my photography studio, and I can always have fresh herbs while filming. It's such a great boost for my self-esteem. Click and Grow had this wholesome range of self-sustainable indoor garden with over 70 different plant pots to pick from. In each of these 3 boxes, there is a garden kit that comes with its own automatic system for watering, lighting, nutrients, and it's so super easy to use. You can even choose from 3 different colors. Each set includes a lamp, a quick start guide, and some free plant pots based on your garden size. Pretty neat, huh? Wow, this is the smart garden. Just 3 easy steps. Add pods, add water, and plug it in. The smart garden takes care of the rest. Look at these plant pods. They're pre-seed and biodegradable, and with Click and Grow and a smart soil technology, you can be sure your plants grow in a clean environment. Everything grows free from plant hormones, pesticides, and harmful additives. It's all about clean and safe gardening. They even sent me a kit with 3 shelves, very easy to build with some help. And I set it up next to a plug so I can have the artificial lighting. The water is kept in this tank and is automatically absorbed by the plants, so I don't need to check on watering every day. It's all automatically done. As we suffer from drought, we had water restriction last summer, so I couldn't water my garden. And this solution, I can save so much water and I don't need to put on the watering system. And there is also an app that goes with it, so you set it up and it'll follow up with you and turn you into a real plant professional. Cleaning is super easy too, except for the whisk and the lamp. Every part can be popped into the dishwasher and no hassle at all. The system is energy efficient, optimized specifically for plant grow, which is great for both your plants and your energy bill. All the necessary nutrients of the plants are already included in the pot soil, so there is no need for extra fertilizer. So within a few weeks, I had my own indoor herbs garden, and I didn't have to do anything, just checking the water level every 3 to 4 days. If you're passionate about cooking with fresh herbs like I am, this is really a game changer. To buy it, you can check my affiliate link here below, and you can get different size depending on how much space you have in your own kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to more cool items that can make your life in the kitchen much easier.